Welcome to week 4 of our Fitness That Matters As We Age workout series, where this segment is all about cardio and heart health. In today's workout, we are combining 2 powerful, effective ways of walking, which are also joint friendly. One being the Japanese 3x3 interval walk combined with some Tai Chi inspired movement. Now the format is 3 minutes of a slower paced walk, which is also called our recovery period, followed by 3 minutes of a more intense walk where we are really challenging our bodies and getting our heart rates up there. And throughout these 2 intervals, we will be bringing in some Tai Chi inspired movements. We are going to improve our heart rate, our metabolism, our fat burn, our muscle strength, our energy, all in a shorter amount of time, because we again once are combining these 2 powerful, effective methods of walking. So you guys, enough talk, super excited to bring this to you. So carve yourselves out some space and let's move together. All right, you guys, we gotta start with our slower interval. Nice gentle walk. And then coming up, our first movement. Okay. Then we squat, arms up and down to the sides. Abdominal muscles in, push up and bring them down. And back to the march. Very nice. Hope you guys are doing well today and you've been enjoying this workout series. I have definitely enjoyed bringing it to you. Next movement. Toe prances. Arms out. Three, 2, and 1. Walk it out. And those are the 2 moves in this segment. So if you missed it the first time, you'll get it the next time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Dippy squat, arms up and down. March it out. You feel that body waking up? I know I do. It feels so good. Back to these toe prances. And where those abs, form check. They're in, pull back towards the spine. Nice, walk it out. And we have time for some arms. Bring them down. And we're getting ready to go into our first more intense interval. All right. Pump those arms harder and these legs come up a little bit higher. But always remember to listen to your body and go at the pace that feels good to you, but definitely challenge yourselves. First movement, you guys. So knee claps. 4, 3, 2, march it out. That's the first of the 2 movements in this segment. Next one coming up. Gonna do some body waves. Back to the march. How'd you do? All right. You're gonna go back to those knee claps. And march it out. Talk to me, you guys. How are you doing out there? Because that also lets me know whether or not you have brought it up too intense. If you can't talk to me, okay, body waves. If you can't get the words out, they may be a little bit labored, but you still should be able to talk to me. And if you can't, bring it down a little bit. 4, 3, 2, and march it out. Knee claps. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. All right, we have time for a few body waves. Because in about 5 seconds, we're gonna bring it back down. Excellent work. Last one. All right. Bring it back down. And you will find that our heart rates will gradually come down. Arm waves. And as you can see, I got a little bit of a bounce here. Back to that walk. And coming up, we're gonna do some pendulums. So get these hands together, clasp them together. They go up over your head. Feel that stretch? Nice. Back to the walk. Oh, that felt good. If there was any tension in that body, it's gone. Okay, back to those arm waves. And you can feel that chest opening up. Walk it out. Okay, clasp these hands together, arms up, get ready for the pendulum. Okay, finish it out. Nice. All right, arm waves. Okay, walk it out. Okay, and we're gonna stay here because we're getting ready to go into our higher intensity interval. All right. Four, three, first move coming up, you guys. Demi squat. Okay, stabilize his body. The core is not moving. It's all about the arms. I call these diagonal arms. Yeah. And march it out. That's the first of two moves. The next one is gonna be some torso twists. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant yourself. Demi squat. And this torso is twisting right, left. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. Nice work. We're gonna get ready for those diagonal arms again. Plant yourself. Torso stationary. We're doing some weight bearing with these thighs. And march it out. The clap is optional. Yeah. How about some torso twists? Yes. Four more. 3, 2, and march it out. Nice work, you guys. Get ready for those arms again. Plant that body. March it. How about the torso twist? March it. Coming up, you guys, our final slow segment. All right. Bring it back down. First one, we're gonna do some inner thigh squats. And left, right, heel up. Nice and gentle. And when the heel comes up, give me a slight lean to that side. Nice work, walk it out. And the next move in this segment, we are going to do some overhead reaches. Okay, slight bend in these knees. Really reach. Extend out. Back to that walk, very nice. And already you can feel that heart rate coming down. Okay, get ready for these inner thighs again. Feet turned out, lift to the left and lift to the right, that slight lean. Walk it out. Okay, get ready for the overhead reach. Okay, walk it out. Last time for these inner thighs. Feet turn out. All right, walk it out. Excellent work. Cardio does not have to be punishing in order to be effective, and we just proved that with this workout. It's all about being consistent, showing up for yourselves and being consistent. So remember to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the workouts in this series. And also, if you are enjoying what we are doing here on this channel and you know someone else who would benefit from what we're doing, please do let them know about Get Fit with Deborah, okay? Let them know about this series, particularly if they have not been exercising for a while. They don't know where to start. They need to reintroduce their bodies to movement and waking their bodies up so their bodies realize just how capable it is. It takes you to show up. So please do share my channel with them, and also please do subscribe by hitting that subscribe button below. And as I say here always to you guys, it is a great day. You know what? It got even greater after this workout. I'm feeling so good. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I will see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.